皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means sushi. Its kun reading is sushi as well. The stroke order of this kanji is this. Yesterday you learned sushi, right? And today's kanji also means sushi. Same. But if you take a look at this kanji closely, this bird is sakana, means fish. And this bird is umai, means delicious. So, these are two different independent kanji, but if you combine it, another kanji means sushi, delicious fish. Interesting. So here is what you see on the street. 皆さんは寿司が好きですか? Do you like sushi? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。